The Job Readiness Workshop is a program for teens to learn how to get a job. Every aspect of job search, resume, and application. From there we go into interviews and internship selection.
They entered in not knowing much about the program, but they end up leaving with a lot more friends and more knowledge.
I'm hoping the teens walk away with more confidence when it comes to their interview skills and just building more connections with others.
We learned how to be able to present ourselves in an interview, how to be professional, and I really think that it helped with the final interview, as I was able to incorporate those skills into the interview, and I felt that I was able to succeed really well.
I would say my favorite memory from the Job Readiness Workshop was probably one of the games we played where we all interlocked hands and we had to work together to untangle ourselves.
It was more of a bonding experience, and I got to know a lot of the people.
My favorite memory of the workshop was probably the mock interviews that we had. They were just a lot of fun, and I enjoyed the experience of trying to get through that whole process.
They're trying to learn how to talk about their skills and their drives for success.
Just meeting new people in the workshop. I met some people from my elementary school, which is pretty cool, and I got to reconnect with them.
I am most proud of everyone for taking the first step in the job searching process by enrolling into this course. With the information provided from the course, they are one step ahead in getting a job. I hope that everyone will walk away with helpful information that can help them with their goals of finding the right job.
You get a lot of time with your mentors, and they're always open to questions, any concerns you have, and they always offer extra help, and just everyone was really friendly and helpful.
For them interviewing, doing mock interviews, and then preparing, and then finally getting the internship, and then learning the whole aspects of working at the pool, from customer service to preparing, and then at the end with Joey and Kaylee we did a whole celebration of what they've done, and hopefully we did a great job with them, that they in turn come back and work for us, because we would like them to work for us, because we really think highly of them.
Favorite memory of the internship was, I'd say maybe the first day when I got to meet all the kids. Lots of fun. I enjoyed playing sports with everyone, getting to know every kid, and getting to know this school. I've always lived close by and I've never really been into this campus, so just getting to know this area and all the kids, it's really amazing.
Some benefits of having the interns were we got to do a lot of enrichments that we don't usually get to do. They brought in stuff that they like to do outside of program into our program, like they ran a Lego competition, and they're even going to do some ping pong classes, so we don't get to usually do that on a daily basis. That was fun.
When the interns leave the program, I hope they walk away with being more confident and making it easier for them to get out of their comfort zone while in a workplace.
It's such a beautiful thing to see them interact with our programs in the recreation department and the aquatics division, and it's such a great celebration to come in with music and balloons and a check to celebrate all their accomplishments.
I would definitely recommend this program to future students, as you learn helpful skills that you'll be able to use in the workforce in the future, and I really think that it helped me to get to where I am today.
Yes, I would definitely recommend it. It's very helpful, and I believe that this program will definitely give you some skills that you use later in life, and just why not start now, so yeah.